What if you could carry something in your pocket that could help you feel safer without carrying around a bulky weapon? Well, today we're talking about stun guns, which are a discreet, non-lethal way to defend yourself when things get rough. With so many choices out there, it can be overwhelming to figure out which one is best for your needs. That's why we've gathered and compared some of the top stun guns to make your decision easier. So let's dive in and see which of these compact yet powerful devices reigns supreme. All the links are in the description. For stun gun with safety switch for women self-defense. This compact and effective self-defense tool is designed with women in mind, offering an easy-to-carry stun gun with a high-voltage shock to deter and immobilize attackers. Its most notable feature is the safety switch, which prevents accidental discharge, making it easy for beginners to use without worrying about mistakes. The ergonomic shape ensures that it fits comfortably in your hand, giving you more control when it's time to defend yourself. The rechargeable battery is another convenience, making it easy to keep the stun gun ready for action. The performance is solid, delivering a shock that can incapacitate an assailant. And its portability and compact size make it an excellent option for women who want something discreet and practical. In real-life situations, this stun gun is reliable, offering a way to defend yourself without inflicting permanent harm. Compared to other products like the Vipertech VTS9989, this one is more user-friendly and accessible, offering a similar level of protection at a more affordable price. However, like all stun guns, it's best for situations that don't require a long-range defense, and its battery life may need to be monitored to ensure it's always ready when needed. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments to Polis Stun Gun TW10. The Polis Stun Gun TW10 is a high-performance device that combines a powerful stun gun, bright LED flashlight, and a 120 dB siren alarm, giving users multiple ways to defend themselves. The stun gun delivers a high-voltage shock, while the flashlight provides necessary illumination in dark environments. The loud siren alarm is a game changer, disorienting attackers and alerting those nearby. This stun gun is equipped with a rechargeable battery, so you won't have to worry about constantly replacing it. Its ergonomic design ensures you can handle the device with confidence, preventing accidental discharge. Compared to models like the Vipertech VTS9499, the Polis Stun Gun TW10 offers similar functionality but with more built-in features, including the siren alarm. It's slightly bulkier due to the added functionalities, but it's still a great option for those who want multiple methods of protection in one device. The combination of these features makes it an excellent tool for everyday carry. However, keep in mind that, like all stun guns, its effectiveness depends on close proximity, and battery life should be monitored regularly. 1. Guard Dog Diablo 2 Tactical Stun Gun with LED Flashlight. For those who prefer a more discreet tactical approach, the Guard Dog Diablo 2 Tactical Stun Gun is a standout option. It combines a high-voltage stun gun with a powerful LED flashlight, and its unique feature is that it looks like an ordinary flashlight, making it easy to carry without attracting attention. With its 320-minute lumen LED flashlight, it provides ample illumination, and the stun gun can deliver a powerful shock to disable attackers. Constructed from Type aircraft-grade aluminum, it's built to last while being lightweight and durable. The rechargeable battery adds extra convenience, ensuring it's always ready for use. When compared to its predecessor, the Guard Dog Diablo, the Diablo 2 offers improved performance with a higher voltage stun gun and brighter flashlight. This combination of high voltage shock and practical illumination makes the Diablo 2 a top contender in the stun gun category. The only downside is that it's slightly bulkier than single-dimension stun guns, but the added features and build quality make up for this. So, which one wins? In the end, if you're looking for sheer power and performance, the Vipertech VTS9989 is the best choice. However, for those who need versatility and a combination of self-defense tools, the SABRE pepper spray and 3-in-1 stun gun kit offers an excellent all-in-one solution. Each stun gun on this list has its own strengths, so The choice ultimately comes down to what features are most important to you. What do you think? Which stun gun would you choose for personal defense? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons of top products. Stay safe and stay informed. All the links are in the description.